autographs. Time goes by so fast, remembering how it was. I was a student in 2005. I was so happy to be alive. My hair was short, my eyes were bright. Everything was easy, everything was light. I was young, I was free. That is who I used to be. When I was young, the world was wide. We were together side by side. You were my friend, we were a team, living inside a beautiful dream. It was 1999, those days were yours, and they were mine. They were at school every single day. The teachers were strict in a funny way. It was cold in winter, it was hot in June. We were outside under the afternoon moon. They were loud, they were strong, singing the words to a summer song. When I was young, the world was wide. We were together side by side. You were my friend, we were a team, living inside a beautiful dream. It was 2010. I wish I could go back again. Where were you? Were you at home? Was she with you or was she alone? Was it good? Was it bad? The best memories that we ever had. When I was young, the world was wide. We were together side by side. I was, you were, he was, she was, we were, they were. Just because back in the year 2001.